I am always in search of the best case for my iPhone, as you are probably as well. And I'm also always in search of the best minimalist wallet option. And when you put those two things together, you have a really, really good option from Andar. They sent me their Aspen, which is their leather case for the iPhone 13, and the Mag, which is a MagSafe wallet that attaches to the back. You can actually carry it in your pocket, or you can carry it on the phone itself. In this video, I'm gonna unbox both of these for you. We're gonna set everything up, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts on whether the Andar Aspen and MagSafe wallet are a great option for you or not, and you can decide for yourself. Let's get into the unboxing. I love the way Andar packages their items. They're very clean, very sleek. They have these extra touches like the little bag. This is actually a coupon, a discount coupon. I love the little bags, just kind of a nice touch. Everything is high quality, and this is no exception. When I first touch it, I can feel the leather. It feels very solid. One of the things that's really important to me is when this thing hits the floor, and it's going to, is it going to be enough of a cushion around it to protect my phone? And I really feel like it's built well and it's made to do that. You can see the mag circle there. Putting the phone in, it's a nice snug fit. It actually takes me a little bit to kind of push it in there, which is good because you don't want it to come out. So it's everything that it's supposed to be, nice solid fit. The buttons line up perfectly. There's no issues there at all. And it's a nice, clean, sleek, smooth look and feel. I really like it in terms of just the way it looks and feels. And I'm kind of new to brown. I usually always choose black, but I really like the way this looks. It's a little bit of a contrast, and I think it's kind of a nice touch that I'm not used to. But of course, Andar comes in a few different colors that you can choose from. The leather feels really good. It's pretty awesome. Now we're on to the MagSafe wallet. Also amazing packaging, just sleek and modern and cool. Very nice touches with the little pouch bag thing, which is kind of nice as well. The wallet is very thin. One of the things that I realized is that it doesn't hold a ton of cards. It is a minimalist option. So if you need to have a ton of cards and a bunch of cash, this is probably not the option for you as your primary wallet. But if you want to have maybe a driver's license and a credit card kind of ready to go for you to be able to do what you need to do, it's a really good option. Sticks to the back of the phone really well with that magnetic feel. Here I'm going to test out some cards. This is just 2 Costco cards and a credit card, just to kind of show you kind of what it looks like. This is 3, and that's about as much as it can reasonably handle. So again, a driver's license, a credit card, and maybe one other thing just to kind of get out the door in a minimalist approach. And you can see that it's got a thin profile. Even with the wallet on there, it doesn't take up a whole lot of space in your pocket. The credit cards are snug inside of the case, so it took me a little bit of kind of working with it to get it out. But again, I think that you're gonna have that with any of these minimalist MagSafe wallets. I'd rather have my credit card more snug than not, so I think that is fine. Now, Andar says it only holds 1 to 2 cards. This is why 3 cards fit very snug. When I had 1 or 2 cards, they go in and out easily, but they're still safe and secure. All of the Andar products, and I do have one of their other wallets, and it's super nice. All of them have premium full grain oil waxed leather. Their attention to detail is like none other. It smells good, it looks good. Soft microfiber inner lining, which is nice. If you're interested in checking one of these out for yourself, I have a link down below. But I really like Andar as a company. I think they only make great products. They don't have anything that's junk. All of their stuff is super premium, high quality leather products for a variety of different uses. So use the link down below if you're interested, and let me know what you think about it down in the comments.